May I come in, please, teacher?
Yes, please come in.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Subas.
I'm in class 5 and you? I'm in class 7.
My name is Shubha.
You can call me Bunty.
Nice to meet you, Bunty. What's the time?
It's 2 o'clock.
Excuse me, Auntie. Can you please help me find this address?
Sure. Excuse me, Uncle. Is this yours?
Oh, yes.
It's mine. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this lovely gift.
You are welcome. I'm sorry I broke the cup.
Never mind. Where are you going? We are going to the playground.
Would you like to come with us? Yes, please wait for me.